Okay, welcome guys, it's Zenrik here. Today I'm going to show you on how to increase storage in your mobile phone. For instance, your phone does not have any space, you need to have some application to download it, so you don't need to delete any application. You're going to find an application that has large storage, then you're going to occupy from it. For me here, I will find the application, then I will delete cache and delete data in order to increase my storage. I'm going to find the example Play Store. It's here. I'm going to long press, then I'm going to select application details. After selecting application details, go to enter in storage. Enter in storage. Then you see here there are two options: clear data and clear caches. For me, I'm going to clear data. You see something has happened here: delete app data. Then you're going to select OK. See, all the data is deleted, so this application will start afresh. You're going to be like using it a new application. So I go back again. For instance, you don't have any space more, you're going to do the same to other application. For example, me, I'm going to select video show. Then you're going to application details. Then you're going to select the storage. Then you're going to see the options again, the same as we done before. So I'm going to clear that again. Okay, see that my total storage of video show is 80.83 MBs. That's it. Thanks for watching.